Welcome to episode number 4 of our Locking Fundamentals series. Today we'll be working on the point. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech. I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills, and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow, because this takes time and patience. Now for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. We're talking about the point, all right? Point. We used to call it Uncle Sam point, but terminology is just the point. We could get more, if you have more questions about history and the terminology, all that, drop me in the comment below. I'll go over that later. But right now, let's talk about the technique and how do we point, all right? So, most of you guys, if you study a little bit, you know the point. Let's start with here. Here's a starting ground, all right? And then we go from here, arm comes up to about the chest area, here. Some people like to go across, that's fine. Some people go up here. It really depends on the music, but the idea is come to the center, around the chest area, and then you go out, then you point. You stand over here a little bit, boom, okay? Does the arm need to be exactly straight? I don't think so. I've seen so many original lockers and really good lockers out there right now. They have a slight bend or they can go straight, so it really doesn't matter. But the key though is this: a point is not a pace. I'll do a pace video later. What does that mean? A point should stick. It stays. Does that make sense? Right when you get it, boom, you shouldn't move. There shouldn't be it doesn't bounce. Does it make sense? When you point, it shouldn't look like this. Okay? Even though you have your fingers out, it shouldn't go like this. Make sense? All right. So from here, you have, in our routine, from here we got, and 1. Okay? Actually, the first part, we're not doing the legs, but don't worry about the legs. You go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So make sure you bring it back to the chest before you go out. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So in our routine, in our drill, if you will, first we go to the right, come down, left, come down. Now to the front, come down, front, come down. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. While you're doing that part, it's very important that you guys keep in mind to hold this and make sure you get it on beat. Okay? Too many people get there too quick, off beat. Stay, come back, okay? Don't come back too early. So it's not 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't come back before the 3. Come back on and 3, okay? And the same just as if I go here. So here's the thing. This is what not to do. Here, here. So it doesn't just go from here and just go straight to the point. It's not this. This is not point. It comes here, the elbow does bend, and it flex out. Boom. That's a stronger point. All right. Point, side to the front, front. Okay. So the second part of that drill is we're a little bit faster. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. So just as I lead from here, I pass through this chest, and when I come back to the chest and go down. Okay? Very, very important. Otherwise, this becomes this. Here, here. Okay? If later on in the future you decide, hey, this looks really cool, that is fine, but don't call it the locker's point. All right? Locker's point has a definite look to it. It comes through the chest, comes back through the chest as well. Okay? Or the center, shoulder, whatever. Just this area. Make sense? Okay? So that is drill number 1. But again, the key point is do not pace your point. What does that mean? Don't go like this. Don't flick it. It's not a flick. A point states. Hey, you over there. Point. There is a slight pause once you hit it. Once you get there, boom, stop. Stop. And get there right on the beat. It looks much, much better if you follow the music and dance to the music and with the music. All right? That's drill number 1. Have fun with it. Stay humble with it, because I know it's kind of slow, but what happens is too many people want to go immediately to drill number 3. They want to do quick, okay? But here is where you build strong foundation or fundamental. This is the fundamental. Build strong fundamental before you go fast. Learn how to go slow before you go fast. Then it'll get better. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you're bored with this one, if you feel like you're ready, let's go to drill number 2. All right. We are moving both arms simultaneously, right? If you remember back in the first drill, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We come back, right side, then left side. Now, okay, when we start, yes, right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So both are working at the same time now, all right? So make sure you don't hit yourself. So here, 1, 2, coming back, and 3, 4, right? They both come back to the center at the same time, and they both leave. One thing I do want to note is this. Do not just keep your finger the whole time like this. So you're not here. When you come back down, you can relax your point when you come down, because you're not just, you don't keep the point the whole time, right? You point when you get to the destination right there. Look over there, right? And then when you come back down, you don't say look over here as well. You want to go look over here, and then you tuck it back in, right? Put your finger back in. Or sometimes what I do is, boom, I just slap down. Here, slap down, and I say look over there, okay? So, third thing, you want to accentuate your points. How do you do that? We do a little bit of leg movements, okay? So, scoot over here. When I go to my right side, here, you see the slight shift in my hip? So I bend my right knee, the hip goes out. It's sort of like, imagine when we lock, right? When we lock, it's the same leg movement right there. Boom, this allows my shoulders to shift toward that side here. So this makes that point a little bit longer versus here. Drill number 1, we don't worry about the body. Drill number 2, there's that body right there. And then this way. And then this way. You see how I kind of lean forward? So instead of just here like this, here, here, here. There's that movement, all right? So the body movement in conjunction with the point, and remember the point, don't keep the point. As I come back from here, I should put my finger back in, either leave it as a fist here or a palm, open hand. But do not point down here, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we repeat that, right? So 2-8 counts slower, 2-8 counts faster. Key is this. Both arms are moving at the same time in conjunction with our shifting. A little bit of salsa almost, right? All right, so remember those two. Drill it and do massage yourself. Because I just did the drill, man. It kind of burned a little bit. It's kind of seating, right? You think, oh man, it's easy, just arms. Give it a try. You should find that your elbows or your arm, your shoulders get a little bit sore, and I feel it in my biceps as well. So if you feel that, great. You're slowly training, get that fast twitch in there, okay? But same thing with this one. Just because you're doing it faster, and it's easier to kind of cheat because once you move fast, it kind of fools the eye. But I want you to be really, really cautious about being on beat. Hit it on the one, right? You see how like boom, stick versus boom, boom. I don't just flick. Do not flick. I know I'll repeat that again. I'll probably repeat it over and over again. Do not flick, because I see it so many times. That's the biggest pet peeve of mine, when people try to point and it looks like a little boing, boing, boing. You know, it's not a boing or bounce. It's a point, stick, okay? And don't do one of these. Don't do it. They never do this. There's some new choreographers that like to be a little bit different. They point with 2 fingers or whatnot. Do not do that. Why did I say that? Because Skeeter Rabbit hates it. So as a student, to me, it just doesn't even look that cool, okay? Eventually, a few years down the line, if you think you can make that look cool, go ahead and do it. But for now, right now, if you say, hey, you learn from me, from this video, I never encourage pointing with 2 fingers. Okay, that's the point. Have fun with it. If you think you're ready for faster points, drill number 3 is for you, all right? So go check it out when you're done with this one, and I'll see you there. Drill number 3, we're pointing on the ends. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, okay? So it's just like the previous drill, but faster. So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, okay? Whew. But we have a pause, right? We have a pause. So first 2-8 count, it allows us to catch our breath. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. When I did this drill, I was a little bit gassed out. But you guys can do it. Use the training, okay? Here we go. So we have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. For the first 8 count, we hold the 3, 4. So we have 1 and 2, hold 3, 4, 5 and 6, hold 7, 8. And fast. So everything applies from drill 2, but it's just that we're faster. The 1 and 2. We're still going through the chest. When you go faster, it's really easy to cheat. What do I mean by cheat? This is cheating. 1 and 2, right here. Right here. It didn't come through the chest. So, highly recommend, suggest that you guys film yourself. Use the same light as me. You know, you want to see yourself from the side, from the front, from the back if you need to, but the back really isn't necessary for yourself. It's more for me to kind of demonstrate to you guys, the audience, what it would look like if you're standing behind me. Okay? So for now, if you film yourself, what I want you to see is watch yourself. Am I or are you doing one of these things here? See, where it's just, it seems like the elbows lock and you're kind of just swinging back and forth. Nah, that's not it, right? It's here. So the whole, you gotta see this. When you come down, this is down. When you're out here, the up was up. That makes sense? Here, boom, boom, okay? So you gotta get those movements in. Be on beat, do not cheat. Okay guys, that's it. Hopefully you guys are practicing with the sides. Again, for those of you who heard this already, or if this is the second time or the third time you're watching this video because you want to drill, you can kind of tune me out and just do it along the side with here. So what happens is you're drilling and not just 1 minute, you're probably drilling for 5 minutes straight. Take a break because I know how tough it is, I don't know how hard it is, but the idea is I want to leave this on for longer. So for those of you who want extra training, okay, lengthen this training. Because sometimes, you know, to train by yourself is a little bit boring. It's a lot easier if you put this on the TV, put it on your laptop, put it on your phone, and just have it play. Just leave it playing and just drill with me versus trying to have to go back and rewind it, okay? So hopefully you guys find this helpful, and I know you guys should, because if I was learning it for the first time, this is what I would have liked if somebody had made this video for me, all right? So that's it guys, have fun with the point. This locking series, locking fundamentals. I'm gonna build more. It's very important that you guys get the fundamentals, because later on, that's when we can start building more, maybe choreography, transition from move to move. All right guys, enjoy today, enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out, y'all.